Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start with the essentials. Make sure your phone or PC has a working connection and update the Facebook or Messenger app. Once done, force close the app and relaunch it to clear temporary glitches. You should also restart your device to flush cached network states. These steps remove the most common delivery blockers fast, and they inform the next moves if messages still fail. Now, move to account and app settings to check deeper causes before changing network settings. Now inspect Messenger settings and your Facebook account. You need to check message requests and the spam folder. Sometimes messages are filtered. Make sure you haven't blocked the sender and confirm your account isn't flagged or restricted, which prevents delivery. Next, verify app permissions for contacts, storage, and background data. If permissions are fine, clear the app cache. If problems persist, uninstall and reinstall the app to replace corrupted files. Finish by focusing on the network. Switch from Wi-Fi to mobile data or use a hotspot to rule out router issues. If switching helps, reset your device's network settings or update router firmware to prevent recurrence. Once changes are made, send test messages and watch delivery indicators. Sent, delivered, read. If messages still don't deliver, collect timestamps and screenshots, then report the bug through Facebook's support form. One key troubleshooting tip. Check from another account or device to isolate account versus device problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.